Hey guys, it's me, NTW Studios, and today I'll show you how did endless international phonetic alphabet animations and sounds made most popular. I think it got 1.1 1,100. We got 300 over 300,000 views, and it made by 2022. On October 20th, when it said YouTube set for made for kids by YouTube. When they're gonna do it for YouTube kids, but oh no, it comes out in May of 2024, I think. So I'll show you how to make this video viral by using the international phonetic endless international phonetic alphabet animations and sounds made it popular. So this is my most popular video ever in a long time, not a short time. But can this video go viral? Well,